Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn about the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when the greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun and keep Earth warm. How does the greenhouse effect occur?
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a thermometer and a transparent bowl. First, use the thermometer to measure the temperature of the surrounding air. What is the temperature of the surrounding air? Pause and observe.
I know. Based on the reading shown on the thermometer, the temperature of the surrounding air is 33 degrees Celsius.
Yes! Next, leave the thermometer out in a sunny area. Then, cover the thermometer with an inverted bowl for a period of time. Pay attention to the red liquid in the thermometer. What do you notice about the temperature of the surrounding inside the inverted bowl? Pause and discuss.
The temperature of the surrounding inside the inverted bowl increases and reaches 39 degrees Celsius. This is higher than the temperature of the surrounding air outside the inverted bowl.
The inverted bowl represents the atmosphere that surrounds the Earth. The air inside the inverted bowl traps heat just like the greenhouse gases. Hence, the temperature of the surrounding inside the inverted bowl gets higher and higher as time passes. This is similar to the greenhouse effect the Earth experiences. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.